In this guide, you'll learn how to fix MLB The Show 26 companion app not working. First thing you want to do is check internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, you can give a fresh restart to your router. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next, check for app update. For that, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, older iOS or Android versions may not fully support new updates, so update your phone software. For that, launch Settings, go to General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. If these solutions didn't work out for you, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete to confirm it. Now launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app, then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for MLB 26 companion app not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.